Hi, everybody. This is Jerry Garrettson, Tapia Law. I'm going to go ahead and read this. And every plant of the field before it was in the earth, and every herb of the field before it grew, for the Lord God had not caused it to rain upon the earth, and there was not a man to till the ground. We're going to talk about nationality, being naturalized into this country. Briefly, and more specifically, we want to talk about the oath of allegiance that each party looking to get his citizenship or her in this country has to take, are required to take. And let me just read a little bit here. Before being admitted to citizenship, take in a public ceremony held within the United States. So they have to be in the U.S. and in a public ceremony. This is before a foreigner or an alien can become a citizen of this country. The following oath of allegiance, to a copy of which the appellant shall affix his or her signature. So they're not only verbally making this oath, but then afterwards there's going to be a copy of that oath that they just swore to and sign it. So this is serious business. Becoming a citizen is not a flippant scenario. It's a situation that is very important, and we want folks to be dedicated to this country. We want them to be sober in understanding the gravity of what it means to be an American citizen. So let me go ahead and read you the oath. I hereby declare an oath that I absolutely and entirely renounce and abjure all allegiance and fidelity to any foreign prince, potentate, state, or sovereignty of which or of whom or which I have heretofore, been a subject or citizen, that I will support and defend the Constitution and laws of the United States of America against all enemies, foreign and domestic, that I will bear the true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will bear arms on behalf of the United States when required by law, that I will perform noncombatant service in the armed forces of the United States when required by law, that I will perform work of national importance under civilian direction when required by the law, and that I take this obligation freely without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. So there's a lot here, and we can talk a lot about this, and I'm not going to get political. That's not what these talks are about. But we can see that, number one, the person coming here is not going to be, we don't want folks that are still, they have their loyalty to another country. And there are real solid reasons behind this. I was going to say something, but I'm not going to say it. I'll move on. Not only that, but they're pledging their lives to this country, their allegiances to follow the Constitution. And if this country is at war, then right here they're pledging that, hey, by law, we will defend this country. We'll pick up arms. And so, anyways, very interesting. And we could do a long study on this, but that's what every citizenship or every alien, every foreigner that becomes a citizen of the United States, this is the oath that they not only speak out loud publicly, not only do they give it verbally in a public setting, but also a copy of that is made and they sign it. So anyways, very interesting. You guys have a great day and we'll talk to you next time.